終了ようこそきなこチャンネルへ。今日はですね、全編英語編でございまして、今回ね、シートゥスカイゴンドラっていうところにね、行ってきたんですけど、私、カナダ在住20年初めて行ってきました。でね、7.5 キロのハイキングコースでだいたい2時間って言われたんですけど、私たちはなんと3時間もかかってしまいました。でもね、カナダの大学生の休日、とってもいい Vlog になったと思いますので、ぜひぜひ楽しんでみてください。はい、それではスタート。 Hello everyone, it's Kinako. Today new member Selena and David and Linda.
As usual.
So today we're in Squamish. We're gonna hike all the way over there. Where? Over here. Over here. Right now it's about 9 a.m. It's pretty cold right now. Okay, start the trail! We're going to do...
Bear watching.
Oh my god. C2 Summit Trail. We're gonna do this. Wow, let's go! Oh, everyone's coming. Let's go, guys!
Climbing. Incredible.
We're climbing this. Oh. Let's go, let's go. We still have more. It's only 20 minutes since we started, and it's a 2 hours hike. So this is just the beginning.
Oh, bridge.
Bridge this! Oi!
Quando pensi che sia finita, allora che comincia la fantastica storia della vita. Butticol.
Whoa! Gondola. Wow!
See the sky.
Then it's like this. It's like a homemade stairs. Phew, phew, phew.
Huh? Why?
Ganbare! So it's been 1 hour since we started, and then we already finished 2.5. Let's go, guys! Wow! Wow! Started going in this. It must be so cold. Alright, so about 1 hour and a half. We're at the half. We're pretty slow, ne? Slower than I expected. But it's okay. Steep. Let's go. Whoa! So good. Let's go, almost. Ah. Hi. Kinako. But it's not the peak yet. This is not the goal.
Doesn't matter. We have to go up there.
Okay, so we can see our goal. It's over there. Let's go. Still like half more way. Woohoo! Good job. Her first hiking.
Yeah, like this one.
Pretty intense, right?
How to kill a girl.
No!
Wait, parole. How do you fucking do this? Oh my god, chicken.
Gondola loading. Almost there, guys. I think we're almost there. Let's go. Okay, 3 hours.
No.
Okay, stop. So we started at 9:30 and then now it's 12:30. So 3 hours. We made it. Woo! Okay, we're just gonna hang around here, go to the suspension bridge, watch the view and stuff, and then we're gonna go back. Yeah. Yes, we made it to the suspension bridge. Oh, oh, oh. Everyone's taking a video of this, ne? Wow, such a good view. Really nice, ne?
Yeah.
Wow. Then there's a restaurant. Wow. Beer desu ka? Yeah, for sure. We need to drink. It's lunchtime now, so I'm starving too. Yes, finally, burger for me. And what did you order?
Date trio, so focaccia, spinach sauce, olive, and hummus.
Hummus. And they ordered mushroom pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay, let's eat. By the way, the inside of the restaurant's a really good view. Okay, so now we finished our lunch. It's time to go down and go back to Vancouver, ne? Good job, guys. So we're gonna go on this sea to sky gondola and go down. No more hiking this. Yeah, we're gonna go on this one. So good. Wow, such a good view, ne?
Cool. I know, you're taking me?
Alright, so we finished the hike and we're back to our parking lot. So we're gonna go back to Vancouver. So just don't forget to subscribe. Okay.
Yeah, hit the like. Jesus Christ, guys.
Yeah.
Hit the like.
Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you at next video. Bye bye.